Hey guys, me Ginger. I'm here for another unboxing today. This is from OCZ Technology, and today is the Alchemy Series Elixir gaming keyboard. So let's get through it and let's have some fun. Come on, let's go. So in the box, we have, excuse me, we have some extra keyboard keys. You have the keyboard itself. Get it out. There it is, guys. Very nice, huh? So in the box we have quick guide, CD, and they have rubbery texture on them. So great keyboard. So thanks guys, it's me Ginger, and this was my unboxing of the OCZ Alchemy keyboard XI. So I have a review on this, so keep tuned.